Hi guys, I want to tell you a little bit about our Max and Lily twin bed set that we got. These are the bunk beds obviously, and we needed a little more space for our lake house. We have a room that's just not big enough for two beds next to each other. So we got the bunk beds, and these have been really great. They're really sturdy. It was super easy to put together. Obviously it came with, the ladder and the side railings here. It's like I said, it's really durable. Our kids can jump all over it, and I'm not worried about anything happening. And what I also really like is it comes with two storage drawers. So, if you're a little short on space, you can pull those out, store some extra blankets, pillows. I always actually like to, when we have suitcases here, I put their clothes in there so I get all the other stuff off the floor. But these are really good if you are needing a little more room in the space that you have. Check them out. The bunk beds are great. Also got all the, bedding and stuff on Amazon. So it's a really easy find, really easy put together. And again, it's really durable. So go check them out if you haven't already.